Hello guys, it's me again, Sir JM. Today let us discuss the one method on division of fraction. Okay, we call this the KCF method or the keep, change, and flip. Now let's have this number one example. We have 9 over 10 divided by 1/3. Okay, to answer this given expression using KCF method, for keep, let us keep the first expression, which is 9 over 10. For change, okay, let us change the operation division, we change it into multiplication. Now for flip, we use the word flip for reciprocal of the second expression. It is 1/3, therefore it becomes 3 over 1. Then follow the operation of multiplication of fraction. Okay, in multiplication of fraction, we just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Therefore, we have here 9 times 3, that is 27. All over 10 times 1, that is 10. Okay, now, if the given answer, okay, is we need to simplify it, therefore we need to simplify. But pag wala na at okay na yon, wala na siyang pwedeng i-lowest term, hindi na pwedeng i-lowest term. Therefore, ito na yung magiging sagot natin. 27 over 10. Next, let's have this second example. We have 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 10. Therefore, again using the KCF method, the first expression we need to keep that one. 1 over 6. Okay, the operation we need to change it. Okay, division, it becomes multiplication. Now, for flip, again, we need to get the reciprocal of 2 over 10. That is 10 over 2. Then proceed to operation of multiplication of fraction. 1 times 10, that is 10. Then 6 times 2, that is 12. Now, 10 over 12, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, let us divide it by 2. I-divide natin numerator by 2 and denominator by 2. Okay, we have here 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 6 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, our final answer in this given is 5 over 6. Next, example, we have 1 over 7 divided by 2 over 10. Now, using KCF method, we need to keep the first expression 1 over 7. We have 1 over 7. We need to change the division symbol by multiplication. And the second expression, we need to flip or get the reciprocal of 2 over 10. It becomes 10 over 2. Then proceed to multiplication of fraction. We have here 1 times 10, that is 10 over 7 times 2, that is 14. In this given, we need to simplify this given expression by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. We have here 10 divided by 2 is 5. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Therefore, our final answer is 5 over 7. Next, we have 1 over 4 divided by 5 over 6. Okay, in this given, again, using KCF method, we need to keep the first expression 1 over 4. We need to change the operation of division into multiplication. And we need to get the reciprocal of the second expression. We need to flip. It becomes 6 over 5. Then follow the operation of multiplication of fraction. We have here 1 times 6 is 6 over 4 times 5, that is 20. Then get the simplest form or lowest term of 6 over 20. Divided both numerator and denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3 over 20 divided by 2 is 10. Therefore, our final answer here is 3 over 10. Now guys, it's your turn. You can use KCF method by dividing 6 over 9 by 8 over 9. Kindly comment down your answer.